leveraging that natural curiosity and wonder in our students and in our teachers and in ourselves. We want to model our own natural human process, and it's about students taking ownership of their own learning. And that is something that teachers struggle with, allowing the students to run with their own learning. Linking the technology to 21st century skills and that whole alignment.
So when we talk about having students own their learning, one of the pieces that we also felt was important is getting the teachers to own their learning, right? So that was all part of the knowledge building circle, was mirroring what we want happening in the classroom with our teachers. So what is knowledge building? So Marlene Scardamelli is a researcher at the University of Toronto, and these are some points that she always presents and shares with us when she talks about what knowledge building is. So we work to identify problems and clarify understanding. People are creating theory, we're inventing new ideas, there's research and investigation components attached to it. There's the constant revision, and when you listen to Glenn and you talk to other knowledge builders, the revision of problems and strategies and solutions is a key component of knowledge building that separates it out from a lot of other inquiry-based processes. And then there's a community connection to it, right? How people work together, and there's publicly available knowledge, community-built knowledge developed. And so looking at how this all fits together, we see knowledge building tying nicely into the idea of 21st century learning, the thinking, the problem solving, the collaboration, the community, and the creativity and innovation that we're asking our students to do in the classroom. We have a framework and a process to help them achieve that, and we have a framework and a process to help teachers achieve that as well.
And knowledge building is really a window to engage the students in all of those 21st century learning skills.